Hi, my name is Priyanka with Paras Mittal, who is the founder of PNJ Building Solution. And today we are presenting M3M Privy. So I am welcoming Paras Mittal, who is the founder and promoter of PNJ Building Solution. So sir, may I know what are the investment opportunities you are providing to your customers?
प्रियंका, हम यहाँ पे रीसेल में लाए हैं कमर्शियल शॉप्स, क्योंकि ये प्रोजेक्ट पूरा सोल्ड आउट है M3M का और बहुत पहले से सोल्ड आउट है। तो यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही वैल्यू एडिशन मिल रहा है इन्वेस्टर्स को। हम यहाँ पे बहुत ही लो टिकट साइज लाए हैं, जिसमें कि आपका ₹16,000 पर स्क्वायर फीट के हिसाब से रफली 1000 स्क्वायर फीट की शॉप्स हैं और आपका 1.6 करोड़ में आपको यहाँ पे रोड फेसिंग शॉप आ जाती है, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं कि ऑलमोस्ट 10,000 व्हीकल्स उसके सामने पास ऑन हो रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छी विजिबिलिटी दे रहे हैं शॉप्स, आपकी बिल्कुल रोड फेसिंग शॉप्स यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हैं, which is roughly a ticket size of ₹1.6 crore.
If I talk about USPs, then it is a retail luxury paradise designed by UHA London, and its design is world-class landmark. So sir, as we know, this is a commercial zone. So may I know what kind of values these shops are providing to their customers, like different values?
Priyanka, these shops are giving more value addition to its customers because see, this is available at 16,000 per square feet. If I talk about the vicinity, there are several projects who is launching their shops in ₹50,000 per square feet. So I will just give you one example. So if a brand comes on a lease and he paid ₹100 per square feet. Now in 100 square feet, the brand will give the same price. Either you buy at 50,000 or you buy at 16,000. So what is your ROI? ₹100 on 16,000 is better rather than ₹100 on 50,000. This mall is a mix of high street and retail mall. High street markets always give a more profit avenue. If you heard of Sapphire Mall or Huda Sector Market, there you will find the traction is much more, traffic is much more. So it will give a huge profits to you. So the value addition goes substantially higher in a high street markets rather than the big malls. So it's a mix. It gives you the high street benefit also and mall benefits also.
This is the prime location on middle of the high-end residential zone and providing the excellent connectivity with NH8 and SPR road. And it's only 5 minutes away from Golf Course Extension Road and Dwarka Expressway. So sir, what are the exclusive benefits and offers PNJ are giving to their customers?
Priyanka, first we are giving a sales leaseback model, SLB model. So how this model works, you buy the unit, but we back to back lease the unit to some business operator. So in the way, you get a very high profits because you get the revenue share on the business rather than the traditional rent. Because if I talk about the traditional rent, no mall of Gurgaon giving you more than 1 to 2% ROI. The rentals are too low. It will steeply going to low in future also. So how you will get a more benefit? The more benefit will be this sales leaseback model where you will be getting a revenue sharing on the business profits. And second, we are bringing a fraction unit here. How the fraction unit works, the ticket size is ₹1.6 crore for 1000 square feet shop. There are many customers who cannot afford it. So what they can do, for 16 lakhs, they will buy a 1/10 fractional unit. So now for example, after 2 years, this shop will cost 2.5 crore. From 1.6 crore, it rise to 2.5 crore. So your fraction unit also rise from 16 lakh to 25 lakh. So in this way, you are getting a profit plus you are getting a capital appreciation, and there is a assured return also which we are giving to its customers. And since this your project is ready for handover, so the possession will be in a maximum 3 to 6 months. But yeah, for 3 to 6 months, you will get the assured return of 8% also.
This project has 24/7 security, very low maintenance and very limited inventories which are filling very fast. So sir, if somebody buys here a shop, so is there any residential community which is already developed?
प्रियंका, यहाँ पे काफी हाई एंड रेजिडेंशियल लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं। अगर मैं कुछ नाम लूँ उसके, टुलिप, टाटा परिमंथी, विपुल ग्रीन्स, सेंट्रल पार्क 2, पार्क व्यू सिटी, बहुत अल्ट्रा लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट्स यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी डेवलप्ड हैं. सो इफ समबडी वांट टू सेट अ लिविंग हियर, so he can buy a shop and set up living also here. So there are schools and hospitals as well. Schools की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो इंडस स्कूल, सेंट जेवियर स्कूल, सूरज पब्लिक स्कूल, ये सारे विद इन 5 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस पे हैं. और अगर मैं हॉस्पिटल्स की बात करूँ तो संजीवनी हॉस्पिटल, पार्क हॉस्पिटल, ये भी विद इन 7 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस है. और प्लस आपका यहाँ से न्यू गुड़गांव भी इजीली एक्सेसिबल है, जहाँ पे सेवरल स्कूल हॉस्पिटल्स और भी हैं. और यहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट रुक ही नहीं रही. गुड़गांव एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट नहीं रुक सकती. सो यू कैन वेरी वेल सेट अप योर लिविंग इन गुड़गांव. चाहे आप कहीं भी किसी भी कोने में रहते हो इंडिया के, आप यहाँ पे आके अपनी लिविंग सेट कर सकते हो.
The unit here having glass frontage and 100% power backup. This project is having road-facing shops, and as you can also see, 9 to 10,000 of vehicles are passing here by every day. This project is designed by M3M, who are known for their timely delivery, contemporary design, and world-class qualities. They also provide values to their customers and have top-class designers. Due to its glass facade, it is a mix of high street and malls, which give their brands a unique visibility. If you want to know more about this project, you can contact on the numbers given below.